CBC Life to show you two of my absolute favorite hairstyles for back to school. The first hairstyle I'm going to show you is how to get some gorgeous messy beach waves, last 4 or 5 days, and then I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous high pony for when your hair is dirty and nobody's ever going to know. So if you guys want to see how I got these two hairstyles, then please keep on watching. First things first, we are going to use a dry shampoo. So I'm using my Design Me Hair Quickie Me Dry Shampoo. And the reason why I'm doing this, even though I've just washed my hair, is just to add a little bit of texture back into your hair so that it grips onto the curls. I'm going to brush my hair out and then we're going to jump right into the curls. So using my pointer fingers, I'm going to section off my hair to make it nice and easy on ourselves. And I like to do like 1-inch sections. I like to work with tiny sections so that we don't miss any hair. Next, I'm going to use my 1/2-inch curling wand, and I always like to curl away from my face, and then I leave the tail of the curl out to give it that really messy beach look. Another tip is to wrap your curl around the curling wand and allow there to be a little space in between, and that's going to allow your curls to be nice, loose, big, and messy. And if you were to wrap your curls tighter on the curling wand, it's going to just give you a different curl. And I'm just going to continue my lovely curls, always sectioning about 1 inch thick, and it totally depends on the thickness of your hair, but since I have pretty thick hair, I really want to get in there and do each section properly. And the nice thing about this curling technique is it doesn't really matter the angle that you're actually holding the curling wand. Right now you can see I'm holding it above my head, but in other curls I hold it lower down. The one thing that matters is you're curling away from your face, and if you curl away from your face, you're gonna get the exact same effect. Another tip that is very crucial is you want to wait until your curls cool before you touch them. So whenever the curls drop from the curling wand, I leave them as little ringlets, and that way the curl is cooling in that really tight spiral curl so that it lasts that much longer. So once I have waited for my curls to cool, now you can go through and brush them out with your fingers or a wide tooth tail comb, and you can see that this totally transforms the curls. So next thing that I always like to do is add a little bit of different sizes of curls to the top layer of my hair to give it that really realistic beach wave effect, that really messy look. So I'm just taking super tiny sections so that there's a variety of different curls on the top layer of my hair. Picking up my hairspray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my hair to ensure this lasts all day long. So after you've got the full use out of your beach waves, we're going to put this into a really tight high pony when you don't want to wash your hair and your hair is hella dirty. So we're just going to turn your head upside down and really just slick this pony to the top of your head. I like using a brush just to smooth out all of the little kinks, and then I secure it with an elastic, and I do it as tight as I possibly can so that it stays in place. If you guys already have long hair, then you're set, but I want to add a little bit of length, so I'm adding my Enchanted Halo extensions. These are so perfect for high ponies because it has one long band, so you can literally just wrap it right around your ponytail, which is so easy. And then I'm going to take a little piece of my extension hair and wrap it around the pony, and it just gives it such a cool look, so much more editorial and pulled together. And you can totally do this if you don't have extensions as well, and I find that it just completely changes the look of the ponytail. I'm also just securing this with my lovely bobby pins to hold everything in place. Last but not least, grab your favorite hairspray and we're just going to lock down the lovely flyaways. Then you can either use a tail comb or a big brush or even your fingers just to smooth everything back so that it's nice and slick. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up look number 2 for my easy back to school hairstyles. And hey, nobody's ever gonna know that your hair is dirty. If you guys wanna see more from me, remember to check out my channel at Dantas Beauty, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.